Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to reset VS Code step by step. Depending on what you need, there are different ways to do this, from resetting just your settings to a complete factory reset. The first method is if you just want to reset your settings, but keep everything else. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette. Type opensettings.json and select Preferences OpenSettingsJSON from the list. Once the settings.json file opens, delete everything inside and just add a pair of curly braces. Save the file with Ctrl plus S, then restart VS Code. After you restart, all your settings will be back to defaults, but your extensions and recent files will still be there. If that's not enough, and you need a full factory reset, this next method deletes all your user data, extensions, history, settings, everything. Close VS Code completely first. On Windows, press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Type or paste %appdata%\code/user and hit Enter. Select and delete all the folders inside. That's your global storage, history, snippets, workspace settings, and the settings.json file. If you also want to remove extensions, open Run again, type %userprofile%\.vscode\extensions and delete everything in that folder too. On Mac OS or Linux, the paths are different, but it's the same process. When you reopen VS Code, you'll see the Get Started with VS Code window like it's the first time you installed it. If you only need to reset specific settings rather than everything, there's a third option. Press Ctrl plus comma to open the settings, or use the command palette and type User Settings. In the search bar at the top, type @modified to see only the settings you've changed. Find the setting you want to reset, click on the cogwheel icon next to it, and select Reset Setting. The colored bar on the left disappears when it's reset to default, and the change happens immediately. The last method is if you just want to remove all your extensions without touching anything else. Close VS Code first. The quickest way is through the file system on Windows, navigate to %userprofile %\.vscode\extensions and delete all the folders. You can also do this through the VS Code interface by opening the extensions view, using the @installed filter, and clicking uninstall on each one individually. After you restart VS Code, all your extensions will be gone. One last thing, make sure you restart VS Code after resetting. If you have project-specific settings, those are stored in a .vs code folder inside your project directory, so you may need to delete that file separately if your workspace settings are still hanging around. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.